In January this year, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi embarked on Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra from the violence-hit state of Manipur, extending his journey to Nagaland. Just over 4 months later, the Congress nearly doubled its 2019 tally of 52 seats, winning 99 in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. This victory included securing both seats in Manipur and winning Nagaland's lone Lok Sabha seat for the first time in 25 years. What could have happened? Well, Rahul's associates note of late he emerged as a more assertive leader. They particularly point out how the Congress leader notably accused the BJP of intending to amend the constitution during the campaign.
मैच फिक्सिंग का चुनाव बीजेपी जीते और उसके बाद संविधान को उन्होंने बदला तो इस पूरे देश में आग लगने जा रही है। ये चुनाव वोट वाला चुनाव नहीं है। ये चुनाव हिंदुस्तान को बचाने वाला चुनाव है।
His consistent emphasis on the constitution resonated with the scheduled castes in the Hindi heartland, possibly helping the party win more reserved seats for scheduled castes than the BJP. Additionally, he endeared himself to the public with relatable moments, like joking about marriage at a rally in Uttar Pradesh.
पहले उसका जवाब दो। क्या जवाब है उसका? सवाल क्या है भाई? क्या सवाल है? क्या सवाल है? अब जल्दी करनी पड़ेगी।
Shagun Gupta, a New Delhi-based brand strategist, says despite facing past criticism and widespread trolling, Rahul Gandhi successfully revamped his image through resilience and a commitment to substantial ideologies. Moreover, experts note that his increased digital engagement played a huge role in revamping his image. Recent videos like meeting murdered Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala's father, taking a metro ride in Delhi, a bus ride in Telangana, getting a haircut from a barber in Raebareli, and taking a tempo ride with army aspirants touched people's hearts, garnering views ranging from 225k to 5.2 million. Also, how could one forget how Amethi, once a party stronghold that Rahul lost to BJP's Smriti Irani in 2019. He made a strong comeback in 2024, winning both Raebareli and Wayanad with significant margins. The Congress experienced gains across several states, including Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Notably, in Maharashtra, the Congress won 13 seats, with its allies winning another 17, outperforming the rival BJP-led Mahayuti alliance. Needless to say, Congress Bharat Jodo Yatra, which covered over 4,000 kilometers from Kanyakumari to Jammu and improved social media strategy, not only bolstered Rahul Gandhi's public image but also contributed to the Congress resurgence.